The last couple of years, Alan Solly Trade Show has taken a completely different dimensions, bringing more than 250 retailers across the country to this lovely city, a large hall, more than 20,000 square feet, more than 1,000 samples across categories, men, women, kids, accessories. I think the whole brand has come alive and we have managed to bring our retailers to a completely different environment, show them the product in all its glory and have received some wonderful response. I think in many ways, therefore, Alan Solly has redefined the way apparel is sold in this country.
Thanks to the entire effort of the whole team, we managed to find this really wonderful place. As you can see, we have close to about 20-25,000 square feet of prime space where we actually exhibited almost everything that we are making today. Our dream was really to bring alive the brand in all its glory beyond what most people have ever experienced of it before in terms of the multitude of categories, the varieties that we have. To my left, you can see the women's wear business, and on my right is the kids business, our fledgling business, our accessory business. And as we go forward, you will see that this huge space is actually just about enough to reflect all that the brand is doing in terms of its strength in its traditional categories of menswear, something that we take great pride in. Alan Solly has always been the leader in this segment. Every new season that we enter, we keep reaffirming our faith in this business and we keep pushing ourselves to say, can we deliver something new, something even more exciting for the consumer than we ever did in the past. The help of all our customers, our trade partners, our MDPs, and of course with this entire Solly team, we believe that things can only keep getting better and better each time. And we wish to keep raising the bar. I can proudly say, and I can confidently say, that there are not too many brands in this country today who can pull things off at this scale and make it all seem so seamless and beautiful.
In terms of creating an impression for a brand, creating a different impact, and it is, so important, and every retailer who's come here so far has enjoyed it so much that they are looking forward to a better organized or a more improved or a bigger trade show in times to come.
I think this is the best trade show we ever had. Alan Solly has this capacity of surprising all of us, as we go along.
We have displayed all the articles like shirts, trousers, t-shirts, women's wear, kids wear, cotton jackets line, which is very good. We have introduced a huge line of sportswear, which is our prime thing, which we have achieved milestone in fabric. Our dealers are very happy with the product and all, and we have got a tremendous response from all our customers. And I feel this trade show will be huge success and our dealers will be very happy. The team is excellent and we work hand to hand so that we always remain number one. In that, the credit goes to the entire Alan Solly team, which have worked day and night to do this trade show.
Trade shows has been very pleasant, good turnout from the retailers. Retailers have enjoyed very well. The team spirit has gone very high. Business is also very, very interesting.
Oh, it's so great, very responsive, and dealers also liked what the merchandise displays over here. And booking of orders also very much encouraging.
The trade show has been good. Everything has been very nice and smooth, and especially the team has been very cooperative. It rocks.
The location is great, the hotel is simply superb, the food is good, everything is just amazing. Keep rocking.
Trade show, I feel, is for retailers like us, it's a very responsive and very attractive kind of exhibition. Here we participate in the sense we get a boost from our good experienced large format stores customers who are here, and we can learn a lot from them. And we also try to use the same gimmicks and participate in the same banner at our own floor level. And it's really a good experience, a very good experience.
Fun with, business.
It's absolutely amazing.
ये शो इनका डिस्प्ले मैनेजमेंट देख के एकदम मज़ा आ गया. बुकिंग का कुछ मतलब किया है अच्छा.
The place, the ambience, everything is really good, and they've really done an exceptional job the way things are displayed and stuff like that. Yeah.
Trade show is good, experience is good.
Exhibition organized by Alan Solly is really good.
Probably this is going to be our biggest booking ever, and the way they have presented and the way the venue has been made, I think the dealers are really impressed.
This was like a surprise. In fact,
first when I got a call from Hafsar, I thought it was a prank that somebody is trying to play with us. Later on, once checking it from the store manager, which is Suprashil from Church Street, Bangalore, is where I got to know, no, it's really a real thing that is happening. And trust me, it is unbelievable, the kind of treatment that you guys have given us, the kind of experience over the brand, the interaction with the designers, the brand custodians, the people who head the brand. It's really been a great experience. So now the way I look at the brand today and what I used to look at it yesterday has changed drastically. I respect the brand more today because there are very few brands who would like to take a customer's feedback and work on that. So I respect Alan Solly. That's what max I can say today.
This was my first trade show, to be honest. I had never seen it before, but to see so many people, all the retailers, and then you know, the operating staff of Alan Solly and the designers, and you know, we had all the perspectives. You know, the customers were there, and the people who made the clothes were there, and the people who were buying and selling the clothes, everyone was there. So I think it was pretty nice to see what everybody thinks about. Like, the fashion designer had his own idea and he tried to put something forward, and so some of the other customers which I met here, Alan Solly, people who have been with Alan Solly for a long time, they had their own ideas. So I got to know a few fashion trends myself.
The trend changing from formals to casuals, this is a brand which has the highest potential, not only in our territory, in the whole of India.
They're too wonderful. This time they have developed at least 5 times more than what they developed in the last season.
I think it's a good transition from formals to semi-casuals because it is something which they have created, a niche which they are trying to create.
Yeah, it is a very good response. This casual wears is very good. We have very good sales of that.
क्योंकि अभी जो कस्टमर फॉर्मल के ऊपर भी कैजुअल चाहिए और जीन्स के ऊपर भी कैजुअल चाहिए, मतलब ये डिसीजन पूरा सक्सेस है, सक्सेस और वेरी ट्रेंडी.
Lately, I've seen a tremendous change in Alan Solly, and we feel the kind of effort the company and its staff is putting into the product. It's really amazing and mind-blowing, because the kind of fits they have changed lately and the fabric they have used is really very appreciable with the genuine price points.
It's a perfect, perfect direction, because the entire world, office wear is also gradually changing. It's coming from formal to semi-casuals, and this Alan Solly changing itself with a new face definitely will give a new vision for a dressing sense.
तो सेमी फॉर्मल, सेमी कैजुअल, सेम मटेरियल में अभी ज़्यादा डिमांड है, तो कैजुअल्स मैक्सिमम मूव हो रहा है.
Yeah, it's a good step, and men, women, and kids wear. Alan Solly is a good brand.
I've been interacting with them for the past 10 years, and Madura Garments, yeah, they're doing a good job, because like each brand in India, which is a very traditional market, is known by the way the brand is born, basically. And they have really lived up to the expectations of people, and they really maintain and make sure that it really, the born identity is kept with them, like,
Madura Garments, we have been from the day one. Okay. Nice working, it's been pleasure. There's a lot of change in the company. It's been good. It is going in the right direction. It is a good idea. The brand has been changing from last few years and now.
Last 7 years, I stayed with Madura Garments, AS Agencies, and wonderful experience. Great service.
We are working with Madura since '96, and it's been a good business experience with Madura Garment.
Since from last 8-9 years, such a new experience every year. We are getting every add-ons, brands, quality. Excellent.
Alan Solly was the first brand in the country which introduced Friday dressing. Today's condition, it is quality-wise far superior to some of the imported brands which are tom-tomming and selling at very high, exorbitant prices. But Alan Solly is a good fashion at very affordable prices.
It is a casual #1 brand in India. We have a very good turnover, strong network we have for Alan Solly in Delhi.
Well, Alan Solly is a brand which I suppose was, like the strongest brand in the Madura stable. Over the years, I think it is a brand which has the highest recall value. Amongst the youth, they aspire to wear a Solly shirt or a trouser or a brand?
Well, as a brand, Allen Solly to us is the most important brand because we are the #1 in the entire India for Allen Solly. We are the biggest MD for Allen Solly.
Allen Solly is one of the best brands that anybody can have in India. It has launched a lot of new things like Friday dressing, complete era of cotton trousers to the apparel industry, large checks, good clothing, sporty look to the office wears. All this has been launched by Allen Solly in a big way. It's a great pleasure working with Allen Solly team.
It is already #1 in the trousers, and there is a wide gap between #2 and the #1 in fact. No brand is having that sort of a collection in entire India. Hardly, not even that, not even 1% of linens in other brands it exists.
सुपर ब्रांड और प्रोफेशनल ब्रांड, मतलब कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं आती कोई सी भी चीज़ में, चाहे वो कस्टमर कंप्लेंट हो और एनीथिंग.
The kind of collection we have here is very reasonably priced when compared to other brands.
The kind of jeans and coming up in Allen Solly, like we find all the kind of designs and which most of the customers wanted, and they mention in the feedback book also. I can see here that it is coming up in Allen Solly.
The fits which have been introduced in the trousers are slim, which are the latest fits, being supported by, very well accepted by our customers, and the kind of fabrics being used, the stitches, they are really very genuine. New range of this summer 2011 in Bermudas. They are really amazing with the kind of price point because there are products like numerous brands from domestic brands which are on the same price point, but we feel the quality and the product and the styling which Allen Solly is offering us is really tremendous in this price bracket. Allen Solly was majorly famous for its Friday dressing, and it has come up again with the same concept. Lately, a couple of years before, it has changed its track from casual dressing to a formal dressing, which was the major setback for Allen Solly, but it's again now back to its track and it's moving up like anything. It's really amazing. The customer response on the fits is too good, the fabrics used and the stitches, and the price bracket is very well acceptable. And if you find in the market, there are numerous brands which is offering their price bracket above 2,000 rupees, like Pepe and Levi's. And comparing that, Allen Solly is doing very well, very well. And hats off to Allen Solly staff.
In a branded segment, Allen Solly with a right price tag, you know, the sellability is fantastic.
Obviously, compared to other brands, Allen Solly is still one of the leading brand in our counter.
बाकी ब्रांड के कंपेयर ये सामने रखो तो अच्छा बेटर रिजल्ट मिलता है.
Yeah, Allen Solly was launched sometime in the early 90s, and it was known as a brand which was called a Friday dressing, more of a casual brand, and they have really maintained the brand identity, and it's doing well in the market.
Yeah, Allen Solly is a good brand in terms of casuals. They have good collection, the color matching and the styling and all is good.
The best part about Allen Solly is the variety and the kind of range that they have to offer under one roof is right from your casuals to your formals to your women's wear, everything. The accessories are great. The most important thing is the client servicing staff that they have there. They are fabulous. They help you, they gauge that what is that you are actually going to fit into, what is going to look good on you, and then they work on that. They try and get that stock available in their particular store. So that's the best part about them. The products of Allen Solly have been great. My perseverance about the brand being a very formal brand has changed completely. And today I look at the brand as, I can use it for my work, I can also have my casual wear, everything under one roof. So that's the whole idea. I believe being a globe traveler, being a multi-brand buyer, it's not only Allen Solly is that I buy. I buy brands from international range to your domestic manufacturers. Even brands where you buy products worth 100,000 starting do not offer or do not actually value their customers in the way that Allen Solly has done. It's one of the best initiatives that these guys have taken, and as far as My Solly is concerned, unlike any other any other retailer, they also give you points on the purchase that you do. But the best part is the timely updates, the kind of gift vouchers that they give you, the festival gift hampers where you can go in and cash them, which are sent to you via SMS, the communication through their e-marketing sources, and all these things compiled, put together, and a human calling you regularly from the store. This all adds up to the towards Allen Solly, and that's what I think My Solly really works better.
The best part about Allen Solly is I think it suits my personality. I like to be casual. I don't want to wear anything which is not comfortable or looks overtly formal. As a freelance writer, I don't believe in office culture anyway. So I think Allen Solly gives me perfectly what I want without even looking for it. More often than not, I find without actually having it in my head, I find exactly what I need in Allen Solly. To be honest, I was quite surprised when I got the call that they would bring some of the, the most loyal customers out here in Bangkok. They gave us a pretty good time here, and I guess it's a great idea to show customers what's in store for them the upcoming year, and they get to see how Allen Solly is developing, what kind of new trends are coming up, and the brand awareness. And the best part was we got to meet the Allen Solly fashion designers, the whole team, including the CEO. All of them were pretty comfortable with us, and we had a very nice discussion about upcoming trends. And
Solly clothes are very sophisticated and according to my taste, and they fit me good. They make me look good. The color, mainly because I have a very different choice of colors. They should be comfortable. Tight stuffs is what I don't go in for. I want something very to the body. That's it. Well, very attractive clothes.
Allen Solly rocks. It's a good question. It's a brand which has real value for money, and they keep changing the styles according to the requirement of the market. So it's a good brand to go ahead with.
It's a young brand, young clothing, and for young people, it's a good brand.
Because it gives you the comfort and the value for money, which you should be enjoying it.
Simply because there's nothing better in the market.
It's a good product, guaranteed, quality guaranteed, and a good price.
In the coming years, it's only the brands and who have the capacity to supply large quantities, those brands will only survive.
This is something which can offer a complete lifestyle occasion wears for anybody.
This is a kind of garment developed for the people's requirement. And as far as the fit is concerned, design is concerned, the fabric used is of their taste. They may, no doubt, they'll be going for Solly in a great manner.
Clothes are very fine, the color combination is very excellent, so it's very excellent to buy it.
Allen Solly, yeah. Allen Solly, this is a casual wear, maximum is very good.
Actually, Allen Solly के पहनने की मज़ा ही कुछ अलग है. वो उसका जो फिट है और कोई नहीं दे सकता. ट्राउजर्स में तो सुपर फिट है उसका. अभी वो अपने वार्डरोब में समझो 60% तो ट्राउजर्स होना ही चाहिए Allen Solly. तो Allen Solly तो must है must.
As a matter of fact, Solly is very genuinely priced in the right bracket with the appropriate fabrics and the quality being used from rest of the brands. And I feel that it's a youth-oriented brand, and everybody should go in for that.
Branded, of course, and with the right price tag.
Allen Solly is the only brand in India. Almost whatever the customer needs to cater. Fashion and casual, formal, everything is under one brand.
Product is good. The makers make it from their heart. The designers design from their heart, so they have to buy it.
Casual means Allen Solly. Yeah, that's it.
The young taste that Allen Solly has.
Good quality.
Best design, best feel. So they must buy best fit. They must buy Allen Solly.
A great fabric, value for money. Most importantly, even in this highly competitive market, offering the same kind of quality product, the price range that Allen Solly has to offer is far better than anybody in the market today. As a consumer, I believe that maybe they are formal wears, which is suits, maybe they are casual wear, which is shirts or denims. They are best on the pricing part, and second in terms of styling patterns, a variety in everything, I would say. So that's my idea about the brand.
Pretty much all the reasons which somebody wants to buy clothes for, right? You want to look stylish, but at the same time you don't want to empty your wallet. It should be affordable. You don't want to wear something to look good, but you're not comfortable with it. So if you get a pretty good balance of something which is affordable, which looks good, and which is very comfortable from the inside, I think that's what you should be buying, and Allen Solly stands for all that. So the moment you put on the shirt, not only is it what you express outside, but even when you're wearing it, you feel really good about what you're wearing. So I think that's why they should go for Allen Solly. There were a couple of suggestions which I had given even in the trade show. One of the things was that when we were talking to the fashion designers during the trade show, I told them that it would be a pretty good thing if they could come down to the stores and talk to the customers, probably on weekends, organize a 1 hour where they'll pretty much show the customers what's coming, what kind of colors, what kind of fabrics, and more often than not, I feel a lot of people don't know what exactly they want to wear. So enriching their knowledge about the latest fashion trends and what can be worn, what can be tried out, that would be a pretty good thing to do. So that was one of the suggestions I had in my mind.
My Solly should timely start updating all the members, just like the way your Air Traveler membership accounts and statements come to you, by showing in what category are they, what points they are getting, their monthly statement in terms of how many points they have earned, accumulated, and they can redeem against. So the moment they start giving a statement to people, an idea, the value of the points that they have accumulated in their account, and redemption value of those points, I think things will work better.
As you know, it's a better place to enjoy Bangkok.
Well, after the trade show, I'm not sure whether I should share them on camera or not, but I will party, that's for sure.
I'm not a party person actually, and for me partying is going and eating crepes.
Yeah, definitely. It's been it's an opportunity to come here to Bangkok because it's such a lovely place. We have heard a lot about Bangkok, and my friends are here. We are planning for Pattaya and Phuket trip also, and hopefully we'll have lots of fun.
Trade show, fun, Bangkok, fun.
हाँ, अभी जैसा ग्रुप बनेगा रात में पार्टी तो रहेगी.
Party plans, I don't know. I need to check with my agent, Mr. Murli, and my friend, where he's taking me.
I go to Pattaya.
Extremely a good party plan. 2 nights, all night.
Some of the best things I want to do in my life, like parasailing, jet skiing, tower jumping. I just finished everything yesterday in Pattaya, and today I went to Grand Palace, and it was just magnanimous. I mean, pretty much the 3 days were consistent. Every day was like a new discovery. One day I discovered some great experience of life. One day I discovered about Allen Solly, and one day I discovered about the art and culture of Thailand. So I guess it was like a very satisfying trip for me.
Very thankful to Allen Solly and Madura Garment. They invited us here in Bangkok for the trade show, and we really enjoyed, and we are further going to enjoy. We are moving to Pattaya. Thanks to Allen Solly. Great Bangkok, great Pattaya.
Initially, a show like this can, overwhelm any person. There are so many components involved. It's of a massive scale. Many things are not straightforward. You don't have, established supplier networks. There are many ambiguous things. This team would have probably got together maybe 2-3 months back, which is when we started building the blocks for this trade show. It has been challenging, but I also guess it has been very, very rewarding and fruitful now that we are standing when it's over.
That's absolutely right. These kinds of things happens in just a big trade show, and they require a proper support from the travel agent or who is the organizer. So it was a challenging job. At the end, everything goes fine. That's the thing.
It was a big challenge to have a trade show in Bangkok because last year we had done it in Malaysia. It was at a short notice, but we could do it in an easy way because we had a good supply contact there. But it was really difficult to work in Bangkok with the new supplier here. But at last it was a team effort from my whole team, Haider, Purushottam, Srinivas, Prashant and Aditi. It was a great effort, team effort, and you can see the whole thing has come out with the help of design team and the marketing. So it was a great challenge and it was a great success.
But what really makes us happy at the end of it is, seeing the smile on the faces of 350 people, knowing that, the guests who came over here were very, very happy. knowing that the company has achieved the objectives that it has set out to achieve. I think, you know, the high which comes after, let's say, sitting here in the 5th day of the trade show, when you know everything has gone perfectly, flawlessly, and everybody goes home happy, I think that's what makes all of this worth it.
I think we should even thank the brand, Mr. Jito, Suraj, and everybody in the brand for supporting us to have a trade show here.
We give everybody a support.
Thank you.
Thank you.